Want to make your own printable language worksheets so you can learn, practice, and master the language faster? Keep watching. There's an easy way to do this with our system. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First step, getting your word and phrase lists. First, before you get to making the actual printable worksheets, you'll need the words and phrases that you'd like to practice with the worksheets. And that depends on you and what you want to learn and practice. But don't worry, there's an easy way to do it as you're learning with our system, and I'm going to show you how. So as you go through the lessons on your learning pathway, you'll come across new words and phrases in every lesson. You'll find them down in the vocab section. If there are any you want to save, you can send them to your word bank. Think of the word bank as your extended brain, where you save words and phrases for later review. And the word bank is what will help you make these worksheets down the line. So just hit the Add to Word Bank button on the lesson page for whichever words and phrases you want to save, and keep on going with the lessons. By the way, you can also save words from our free vocabulary lists, which you'll find in the vocabulary drop-down menu. There are hundreds of word and phrase lists sorted by topics like weather, hobbies, or chatting about your day. When you find words or phrases you like, hit Add All to Word Bank, and boom, your vocab collection grows. So this is your first step. Once you've added enough words and phrases and want to make some worksheets, move on to this next step. Second step, creating your own printable worksheets. Now here's how you put the word bank to use and make your own worksheets. Start by heading to the vocabulary menu and clicking on word bank. That's where all your saved words and phrases are. And if you're on the app, you'll find the word bank inside the menu. Once you're in the word bank, you'll see an option for a printer-friendly version. Click it, and there you can print your entire collection right away. Or if you've organized your word bank into categories like verbs, adjectives, or whatever labels work for you, you can export just those. Select the label, hit Export Word Bank, and save it as a PDF. After that, print it out and you've got a personalized worksheet ready to go. You can use it for a review or even write on it to practice, and that's it. By the way, if you just want ready-made printable worksheets and cheat sheets, you'll find them inside our free Gifts of the Month newsletter, which goes out to all members, so look out for that. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
Welcome to Can Do Polish by PolishPod101.com.
Cześć wszystkim, jestem Emil Nowak. Hey everyone, I'm Emil Nowak. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask if a store has something.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Polish ebook before it's gone.
This is Sasha Lee. She's at a small grocery store and wants to buy some salt. She gets the clerk's attention and says, "Excuse me, do you have salt?"
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Listen to the conversation and focus on the question. Ready?
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Tak, jest tutaj.
Once more with the English translation.
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Excuse me, do you have salt?
Tak, jest tutaj.
Yes, it's here.
Let's take a closer look at the conversation.
Do you remember how Sasha asks, "Excuse me, do you have salt?"
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
First is
Przepraszam.
meaning excuse me.
Przepraszam. Przepraszam.
Next is
Czy.
meaning something like weather in this context.
Czy. Czy.
Next is
Jest.
is.
Jest. Jest. Jest.
Is from the verb
Być.
to be.
Być.
After that is
Sól.
salt.
Sól. Sól.
Together,
Czy jest sól?
This literally means something like whether there is salt, but it translates as is there salt? Or in more natural English, do you have salt? Altogether,
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
excuse me, do you have salt?
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Let's take a closer look at the response.
Do you remember how the shop clerk says, yes, it's here?
Tak, jest tutaj.
This starts with
Tak,
yes.
tak, tak.
It answers Sasha's question.
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Excuse me, do you have salt? Next is
Jest,
as in it is.
jest, jest.
Note the corresponding Polish word for it is omitted as it is understood from context.
Jest,
Is from the verb
być,
to be.
być.
Last is the word
Tutaj,
here.
tutaj, tutaj.
Altogether, it's
Tak, jest tutaj.
yes, it's here.
Tak, jest tutaj.
The pattern is
Czy jest item?
do you have item?
Czy jest item?
To use this pattern, simply replace the item placeholder with the thing you're looking for. Imagine you're looking for milk.
Mleko,
Milk.
mleko, mleko.
Say, do you have milk? Ready?
Czy jest mleko?
Do you have milk?
Czy jest mleko?
When asking for things, some items are put in the plural form. For example, eggs, jajka, jajka. Jajka is the plural form of the neuter noun jajko, egg, jajko, jajko.
If an item is used in the plural form, the verb must agree with it. Therefore, when asking for something in the plural form,
Jest,
it is replaced with
są,
they are.
są, są.
For example,
Czy są jajka?
do you have eggs?
Czy są jajka?
Note,
Są,
is the third person plural of the verb
być,
to be.
być.
Let's look at some more examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Czy jest sól? Czy jest sól?
Czy jest mleko? Czy jest mleko?
Czy jest woda? Czy jest woda?
Czy są jajka? Czy są jajka?
Gdzie jest cukier? Gdzie jest cukier? Did you notice how I replaced czy with gdzie?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool, so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Gdzie jest cukier?
Where is the sugar? With this question, you're presuming that the shop has sugar. First is
Gdzie?
where.
Gdzie? Gdzie?
Next is
Jest.
is.
Jest. Jest.
Is from the verb
Być.
meaning to be. After this is
Cukier.
sugar.
Cukier. Cukier.
Altogether,
Gdzie jest cukier?
this literally means where is sugar, but translates as where is the sugar?
Gdzie jest cukier?
This sentence pattern is
Gdzie jest item?
where is item? You should be aware of this pattern, but you won't need it for this lesson. Let's review the new words.
Mleko.
Milk,
Mleko. Mleko. Woda.
water,
Woda. Woda. Jajka.
eggs,
Jajka. Jajka. Cukier.
sugar,
Cukier. Cukier.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then, repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember the formal way to say, "Excuse me"? Przepraszam. Przepraszam. And how to say salt? Sól. Sól. Do you remember how Sasha Lee asks, "Excuse me, do you have salt?"
Przepraszam, czy jest sól?
Przepraszam, czy jest sól? Do you remember how to say yes? Tak. Tak. And how to say here? Tutaj. Tutaj. Do you remember how the clerk says, "Yes, it's here"?
Tak, jest tutaj.
Tak, jest tutaj. Do you remember how to say milk? Mleko. Mleko. And how to say sugar? Cukier. Cukier. Do you remember how to say eggs? Jajka. Jajka.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Sasha Lee and you're at the grocery store. Get the shopkeeper's attention and ask if they have milk. Ready?
Przepraszam, czy jest mleko?
Tak, jest tutaj.
Listen again and repeat.
Przepraszam, czy jest mleko? Przepraszam, czy jest mleko?
Imagine you're Karen Lee and you're at the grocery store to buy eggs. Ready?
Przepraszam, czy są jajka?
Tak, są tutaj.
Listen again and repeat.
Przepraszam, czy są jajka? Przepraszam, czy są jajka?
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben Lee, and you're at the grocery store to buy sugar. Ready?
Przepraszam, czy jest cukier?
Tak, jest tutaj.
Listen again and repeat.
Przepraszam, czy jest cukier? Przepraszam, czy jest cukier?
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to ask if a store has something in Polish. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.
Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Talking About Age PDF cheat sheet, so you can easily ask and answer, how old are you, in your target language. Second, the Being Thankful vocabulary list. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving? You'll be able to express your gratitude fluently with this 1-minute lesson. Third, want a bonus writing worksheet for Thanksgiving? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the different phrases for saying thank you with this free writing worksheet. Fourth, online shopping vocabulary. Learn how to say sale, coupon, and much more with this 1-minute vocabulary bonus. And fifth, the only language app that gets you speaking and understanding native speakers because it teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. Download the innovative language learning app for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.